Very good evening, friends. I am Nalnakshi Swami. Welcoming to my channel. I have divided into 3 hours. That means I wanted to make 3 plus 3 hours for a intraday session, and I am on the 195-minute chart. So when I see the 195-minute chart, the thing is what we are seeing in the market is the market came down from here and it was a pullback. Again, it made a low, and this is a same pattern what is going to happen. This may continue tomorrow. Today is already Friday. Monday morning, you can see the market Nifty going up to 26,072 to 26,110, 123, 26,083 to 26,123. You can see the market. This is not a reversal. Market is already, it has put its leg down. So the market is correcting in a what else? Zigzag fashion. Zigzag fashion, the final correction it has to give 25,552. That is the target. So you can look for the sell and rally. Sell and rally because the market here from this level, it rallied. Let me show it to you. It rallied and it failed to go past this. So it has not completed its correction. One pullback, second pullback, and third pullback. If it comes over here, come to 25,552 like this, and then the completion, correction will be complete. So we need to see the market it has to complete. So tomorrow on Monday, any gap up to this level should be closely watched because these are the call writers area. And also you can see double top over here. From the double top, market went higher and it has failed to retest again, go past this. You can see almost head and shoulder pattern over here. This is an head and shoulder pattern over here. If it is a head and shoulder pattern, if I measure this from the neckline, the 460 points, the down move should be from here. 460 points that may come down to 25,552 to 25,458. Market may do retrace back to this. So watch out for sell and rally type of market. Now, if it goes up, this is not a reversal. This is completely it is not a reversal. Here, the failure at this level closely watched, and market Nifty can come down deep down to 25,552 to 25,458 because already this structure. Let me remove the drawings so that you will come to know. See, and this is the structure. If I take this high, let me mark this high, low, high. After this is the lower low, complete thing. And if it fails over here, then that is a sure shot that market is going to go down. So this leg is completely one leg. If I measure this leg, even if we measure this leg, we may anticipate for the down move to 25,458 to 25,556. So, friends, the structure is broken already. This is the retest. retest, you can anticipate for down move in the Nifty. Market will correct actually. Don't expect it to cross above this. So carefully, keenly watch the levels 26,100 to 26,120. There, if there is any rejection and failure, then you can go short in the market. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.